In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bot in cTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the left here, top left, you want to click on expand sidebar, and then you want to go into algo. Now, from here, as you can see, you have cbots, and this is basically where you can create your bots. Now, to create a new one, you want to click on new, and then you want to do build a new algorithm or click on add an existing algorithm. Now, if you simply want to add an existing algorithm you already have, you could use this one and basically just drag and drop your file, or you could also go and build a new one from scratch. Click on next. You can give it a name. I'm just going to name this one bot1. There we go. Or just like this, bot1. And of course, you have to select your algorithm type. If you want it to be a bot, you can do cbot over here and click on next. After this, you have to select your programming language. So we have either C# or Python. It's up to you. I'm going to use C# and I'm going to click on next. And then you can either start from complete scratch, so like from beginning, or you could go and use any of the templates which are basically ready-made over here. So up to you. I'm going to start from scratch and click on create. And then from here, if you are a coder, if you know some code, if you know how to program, you could go ahead and of course code yourself either in Python or a C#. But for me, I'm just going to use ChatGPT. You can do that as well, or of course any other AI chatbot which knows how to code. You can just tell it what you want to create, what bot you want to get, and it's going to help you code that bot. So I did exactly that. I basically did a 2 moving average crossover cbot. So I'm going to just copy it and I'm going to paste it in here. So what you have to do is press inside this box, press Ctrl A, delete this, and then press Ctrl V whenever you copy the code. And there we go. This is my code over here. Now, just to give you some context, what this does, this version of the bot here, it buys when basically fast MA crosses above slow MA, and it sells when fast MA crosses below slow MA, okay? Now it closes opposite positions automatically, and of course it's still very simple for beginners, but it's just like a bot which was custom made using ChatGPT. So that's essentially what it does. Whenever you have your code in here, again, you can code this yourself if you know how to do it. You can click on build up top. This is going to build your bot, and if it's successful here, it's going to say build succeeded. Hopefully that's what it's going to say. If it doesn't, you have to basically fix some errors if you have any. Then you can click on the back button up top, and then here under cbots, you have your own bot. So I have 3 over here. I'm just going to click on bot1, and you can then start this cbot, and you can go and basically test it, okay? So I'm gonna go and test it in cloud over here using my demo account for Euro USD, and then the period is going to be H1. I'm going to click on Start CBot. Of course, you could go with some advanced parameters if you want to. I'm just going to skip these. Click on Start CBot. And there we go. It's going to start the cbot over here. And currently the status is starting. Within just a few seconds, it's going to go ahead and go into running, I think is what it's called. And then it's going to basically say that it's running up top right over here. And then it's going to show you the running time, time left, etc. And of course, that way you can kind of test your own bot which you created and how it's working. So as you can see, it's now running, and I can stop the instance whenever I want. It's available over here on the left. So I have like 2 of them over here. If I click on this one, for example, I can go and stop it whenever I want and see how it's currently progressing, the summary, stuff like that. So that's essentially how you create a bot in cTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.